This will surprise you about flood insurance on your investment property. If you want to avoid these surprises and make sure that you're increasing your profit per door on properties like this, stay tuned in this video. Hello, my name's Chris Green, president and owner of the Flood Insurance Guru. For the last 12 years, I've been helping people flood zones changed, overcome these flood insurance issues, just like I did when I bought a house on a property more than 12 years ago. So today we're talking about the surprise you may have on your investment property you have no idea that could have a big impact on your profit. And what we're talking about today is the flood insurance more than likely could be set up as an actual cash value. What does this mean? Well, it means just take this $700,000 home that's behind us, and let's say you have an actual cash value policy. This means you may only get $200,000 or $300,000 to rebuild it. That's not going to do squat in this market. And this is where we see a lot of investors that are surprised they don't have replacement costs, because many times the National Flood Insurance Program simply is just not offering it. They're only offering coverages up to $250,000. Generally they're not offering replacement costs on secondary property. They're only offering it on primary properties. So when you're setting up your flood insurance as an investor, there's a lot of private companies that don't offer this either. And you want to make sure that you ask, is this policy going to have replacement costs on it since it's an investment property or a secondary property? Because this could be the difference of you getting $100,000 during a claim and $300,000. And as you can imagine, as an investor, losing 200 grand on a property like this could literally bankrupt you. So as an investor, always make sure you're asking when you're setting up this flood insurance policy that the policy is set up with replacement cost on there, not actual cash value. If you like this video or other videos on our channel, or you want to know the difference between the federal program and private, click up here in the left-hand corner and you can watch one of our other videos on the difference between the federal flood insurance and private flood insurance. Also, make sure to subscribe to this video. You'll get more videos just like this, where we help investors continue to increase their profit per door by lowering their flood risk, changing flood zones, and making sure they have the right flood insurance coverages to keep going after a flood. Thank you.